Today I'm going to show you 5 t-shirt design styles that are popular and selling in 2026. These aren't random ideas, these are patterns I'm consistently seeing across top performing designs. Number 1. Filled text. The first style is filled text. This is where the text becomes the main graphic by filling the letters with visuals related to the theme. If you look closely, the text defines the theme, the fill inside the letters matches that theme, and the graphics below reinforces it. Everything here is tied to the same idea. That's why it works. My prompt for this style is bold t-shirt typography design where the phrase "zebras are awesome" is the main focus. Each letter is filled with a realistic black and white zebra stripe texture. Include a supporting graphic of a cool zebra wearing sunglasses positioned below or slightly overlapping the text. Clean vector style, high contrast on black background. Centered composition, crisp edges. And here are the results. You can see the zebra pattern clearly inside the text, and the graphic below matches the same idea, so everything feels connected. This is exactly what you want with this style. The text, the fill, and the graphic are all working together instead of competing with each other. Number 2. Vintage photography style. The second style is vintage photography. This style uses realistic or cinematic images with a film-like or slightly aged look. You've got cinematic color grading and usually some kind of unexpected or absurd subject. It almost feels like a random moment or a screenshot from a movie. The prompt is vintage photograph design featuring a cat wearing sunglasses holding a coffee in a rainy city street scene. Slight film grain and very subtle vintage texture for an aged photo look. Moody lighting, cinematic tones, and soft depth of field. Centered composition with no border on solid black background. And here are the results. You can see the film texture and color grading immediately. It almost looks like a still from a movie. The subject is simple but a bit absurd, which helps it stand out. This is what makes the style work. It feels more like a moment captured rather than a design graphic. Style number 3. Nature heritage style. The third style is nature heritage style. You'll usually see earth tone colors, a framed badge style layout, and serge vintage typography if it has text. Most of these designs include nature or lifestyle illustrations like plants, animals, or outdoor elements. This gives it a more timeless and authentic feel. Heritage nature design with serif typography reading "off to the forest" and a fox walking through the trees. Vintage-inspired illustration with thin outlines and slightly detailed line work. Use earthy tones with subtle shading and soft gradients for depth. Illustrated look, not fully flat vector, on a black background. And here are the results. You can see the natural earthy colors and how the border frames the whole design. The illustration is really the focus here, and everything else supports it. That's what makes this style work. It all feels like one complete natural piece. 4. Bright multicolored typography. The fourth style is bright multicolored typography. This is where simple text is enhanced using multiple bright colors. You'll usually see bold text, a multicolor palette across the words, and a stack layout to keep everything readable. This style works because it grabs attention fast but still stays clean and easy to read. The prompt is bold stack typography t-shirt design that reads "Teach, Love, Inspire, Repeat." Each line in a different bright pastel neon color with small icons like hearts, stars, and pencils. Playful rounded font, clean vector, high contrast on black background. And here are the results. You can see the bright colors immediately stand out, and each line uses a different color to keep it visually interesting. The stack layout keeps everything readable, and the small icons just add a bit of personality without taking over. That's what makes this style work. It's bold, simple, and grabs attention fast. And the fifth style is minimal single line. This uses thin line illustrations with no filler shading. You'll usually see a single line illustration, no filler shading, and a really clean minimal layout. This style works because it's simple, modern, and very wearable. The prompt is minimal single line t-shirt design featuring a thin white illustration of a mountain landscape with pine trees and a winding river, all connected within a perfect circle frame. No fill, no shading, no gradients. Clean, modern, minimal aesthetic with balanced spacing and strong symmetry. High contrast white on solid black background. And here are the results. You can see the thin line illustration with no fill or shading, which keeps everything really clean and modern. The design stays simple with a lot of open space, and the circular frame helps contain it. It's minimal, balanced, and easy to wear. So these are 5 design styles that are actually showing up across the top-selling shirts. If you focus on these styles and combine them with strong niches, you'll have a much better chance of creating designs that sell.